Hey guys, today we're doing something a little bit different and a lot of it awesome. We got invited to see a behind the scenes look at Alpaka's factory in Shenzhen, China. And I have no idea what to expect. All I know is that their van that's picking us up is downstairs, so let's go. Now, fun fact, I've been to dozens of backpack factories in Vietnam, but this is my first in China. There's our boy right there. Hello. Alpaka? This is you? Yeah? Okay. All right, so we're in the van. This is awesome. As I was saying though, I've never been to a Chinese factory before. You got backpack factories all around the world and all around China, but they're definitely most consolidated in the region that we're about to go to. So Sig and I, we live in Hong Kong. It's a little special administrative region at the tip of China. But then when you cross the border, that's when you hit Shenzhen. And Shenzhen is a part of Guangdong. And in the Guangdong region, you've got cities like Guangzhou and Dongguan. And this is where some of the world's biggest and best backpack factories are. All right, we just made it through immigration and now we're in China. Fun fact, even though Hong Kong is a part of China, it's a special administrative region, you still have to go through immigration to get to and from Hong Kong and China. I'm always nervous going through immigration, but it's always exciting on the other side because when you're in China, it's just different. Hong Kong and Shenzhen, the architecture, the buildings, the vibe, and the food. All right, so the driver dropped us off. He said we're here. And we're on our own now, dude. I don't feel like this is the factory, but I just texted Jin, the founder of Alpaka. Let's see if he emerges. What's up, Jin? Long time no see.
Yeah.
How you been, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. This is Sig. He's our camera guy.
How's it going?
And nice to meet you. Wow, this is crazy. We did not expect your factory to be here. Awesome to finally meet you. How's it going? From there, Alpaka showed us around the HQ, starting with their research room. Nice! You know, this is a pretty decent collection.
Yeah.
I'm seeing some familiar faces here.
So he's head of design.
So
I used to be head of design until he took over.
Alex, what's your favorite Alpaka bag you've ever designed?
I think it would be the Elements Backpack Pro.
That's your favorite? Yeah?
Yes.
Elements Backpack Pro?
Yeah.
It's a good pick.
Yeah.
That's a bestseller.
Yep, there you go.
So
good work, Alex.
my favorite too. So.
Yeah. This is the design studio. So this is where our designers are.
Sunny, designer.
From Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
Yeah. John, electrical designer. Yan,
Nice to meet you.
she's from Australia. She's leading a new team for us.
Okay.
And Gary,
Hi, Gary.
he is a mechanical engineer. Sunshine is a bag designer that works under Alex.
Next, Alpaka showed me their 3D printing room, which really blew me away. This is one of the coolest parts about Alpaka because unlike really any other bag brands that I know, Alpaka makes their own hardware in-house. You don't see this very often, and it's a really cool thing, and seeing them do it in-house here, it just kind of brings it all together, and this makes you guys able to move so much faster. All right, we got our little 3D model. What do you call it?
We just got the boat.
The boat? All right, we got the boat. All the impressive detail. This is what, like 25 minutes?
Yeah, about 30 minutes.
Perfect. And yeah, I can imagine when you're making hardware in-house, being able to do this super fast,
Yes,
game changer.
Yeah, for sure. It's for you.
No, oh. We got a souvenir. This is the made in-house stuff.
Yeah, this is made in-house. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna actually see where the mag locks are made too, because I didn't know if that was separated from the actual backpack factory.
Yeah, it's actually it is not in the same factory. It's a little bit further away, but it's still in Shenzhen.
Hell yeah. Okay. From there, they showed me all the fabrics they're testing, and then they showed me a room completely dedicated to wallet design. Which Alpaka wallet do you carry?
Well, my favorite is the zip pouch. Fits a lot, that's why. I got a AirTag in there, a bunch of cards, some cash.
That's what the founder uses, guys, so I mean, it's a good freaking wallet. Next up, we headed to the factory, which was just a 5-minute drive away. Now, before we jump into the factory real fast, I gotta tell you guys, like, I've worked with a lot of backpack brands and seen a lot of behind the scenes stuff, and this is just different. Like, the way that Alpaka takes full control over their entire supply chain, it's a big testament to why they're doing so well and growing so fast. And I've been learning why this is so important at Firo, my bag brand, which is why we recently started working with Move Supply Chain. And Move basically is like a fractional operations manager that does all the heavy lifting for DTC brands. So if you work in a bag brand, or you're a founder of a bag brand, or you're just in e-commerce in general, I can definitely recommend Move because they're helping us clean up everything. They're auditing our fulfillment costs. They're managing vendors. They're coordinating freights for us. They're actually helping us like get our KPIs in order. In my experience, working with them has been the best way to take control of our supply chain without having to hire like a full-time team, which is why I'm super happy to partner with Move Supply Chain with this video. More about them with the pinned comment below. Now, let's go inside and check out Alpaka's factory.
So this is a laser cutter for cutting X-Pack, ultra dye fabric.
Hell yeah.
This is for cutting the fabric in mass. This is all the fabric we use within the next 2 weeks. I store here.
Wait, so just in the next 2 weeks? Yes. That's a lot of fabrics you're gonna be using in the next few weeks. All right.
This is probably the most expensive fabric collection. This is all X-Pack pretty much.
This whole room is X-Pack.
Pretty much, and Fitlock. That's why it's locked down.
Nice. What are they working on now?
To the Traverse backpack, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love the Traverse backpack.
Oh yeah?
That's one of my favorite ones that you guys have done.
That's good.
It's a killer bag. Now, for those who haven't been to a backpack factory, I've seen a few in my day, but like I said, all in Vietnam. This is my first time in China, but the basics, it all works the same way, right? You can see this is the beginning of where the bag starts to get made. They're working on the Traverse backpack, and every single sewer then builds upon that. It's an assembly line, right? And it just goes down the line where we're doing the front, and then they add more to it, and then they're putting the shoulder straps on, laptop compartments, until it gets all the way down to the end. And then the final part is the binding. And this is where they actually take the bag inside out, and they bind the lines around it with a nylon webbing, and then they flip it the right way out, and then boom, you got a bag. That's what this guy's doing right here. Check it out. And I'm not gonna lie, I've seen a lot of binding. This dude is fast. This is the fastest binding I've ever seen. It's like lightning. And then after the bag is fully put together, this is where you get some like accessories done, like straps. This is where the tags are being done. And then you have actual quality control where threads are being cut and trimmed. This is the very meticulous part. You can see she's actually taking a lighter and burning the edges. And it's just to make sure the bag looks as good as possible so it's actually, when it's actually delivered to the customer.
All the things were sent out to the globe to store here.
Oh, okay, so all the finished product. I got it now.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at all this fucking Alpaka gear. Holy crap, dude. This is like, it's crazy how much gear is here. Like, when we do a production run at Firo, it might be like that many boxes right there, and I'm like losing my fucking mind with excitement. But like, this is 100x that. It's crazy the scale that Alpaka is at. Mind blown. These guys are killing it. What do we got? What are all these over there?
These are all hub products.
Oh, cool. Check it out over here. We got all the hub products. You can see we've got
Hub carabiner.
Carabiners.
Hub clip.
Are these things that you make in-house as well?
So we've got Fitlock plus mag locks.
Okay, so this is a combo of the
Yes.
two. Next level. No one does that. Guys, that's gonna wrap up our episode doing the Alpaka factory tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Ramiro,
Pleasure.
thank you so much for having us. Jin,
Thanks.
appreciate your time.
cheers.
We'll be in touch. We'll catch you guys soon. Bye.